Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about how to set up recurring investments on the Fidelity platform. They make it very easy to do. And the cool thing about recurring investments is that you can build wealth passively. You take the time to set up these automations once, and then you essentially don't have to do anything pretty much ever again. And you're going to building wealth on autopilot, indefinitely, right? Obviously stocks go up and down in the short term, but long term, if you zoom out, investing into the stock market has historically been, one of the greatest ways to build wealth passively on autopilot. So we're going to look at it today. We're going to talk about some pros of their platform. We're going to talk about some cons, and I'm just going to walk through pretty much how to get this set up here. So this is on their recurring activity page. You can get to this page by going to account features and then going into, I think it's recurring investments, recurring transfers. So that's how I got to this. I will also provide this link down below so you guys can just go straight to it if that's easier as well. So jumping back into this page, I blurred out my account information, but I'm going to talk about one of the cons first. They don't allow daily investments. They just don't allow that. So what I had to do is I had to set up a weekly investment for every single day of the week. So that's another way to kind of get around the fact that they don't allow daily. So in order to set these up, so FNILX, this is just a large cap mutual fund that Fidelity offers, and it's one that has no expense ratio. So it has a 0 expense ratio. So it's one I am currently investing into. And as you can see, I'm investing $10 a day into it. So they have 3 different options here. The one we're going to look at specifically is investment. Not going to really look at transfer and smart habits. Obviously, transfer, typically would be from like another institution, another bank account into Fidelity, and then smart habits is just kind of more of like a saving feature that they kind of use there. So what that does, that brings up this. Let me pull over the screen over here. That pulls up this little window on the left here. You can see they offer a couple different options. So stock and ETFs, mutual funds, and then Fidelity basket portfolios. This is a paid feature that they currently offer. I think it's like $5 per month. I'll take a look at that at the very end of the video today and kind of look at that to see if you think that might be something you want to purchase. I don't currently do it, but it's definitely a feature they have available. So what we're going to look at is mutual funds. The next option here is the selecting which account. So I'm not going to open that because I don't want to show my account information there, but that is where you'll select that. And then for this instance, you would just select whatever mutual fund you want to, continuously invest into. You can do a search for it there. We will then select the amount. And then we'll do weekly, FNILX. Okay, so you have to select an account. I'm going to select my account and then blur it out. Okay, so we'll do FNILX. So I think you have to at least have $1 in the fund to be able to set up a recurring investment. I'll double check on that and then maybe add that to the video description down below. So selected FNLIX, selected $10. You can do multiple as well. So like if you want to just do like a bunch of different mutual funds, kind of like on a recurring buy. So the total has to be $10, but you can definitely split this up. So if you want to do 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, that is an option you can do. So once again, the minimum has to be $10, but you can go down to as little as $1 per mutual fund if you want. So the only options for frequency are weekly, every 2 weeks, and monthly. So just kind of keep that in mind. A way to get around not having daily, like I showed here, is you can just set up a weekly investment every single day of the week. So you can set Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so forth there. Select the start date, end date. It's optional for the end date. Use a linked bank account. So if you don't have this option selected, they're just going to pull cash from your cash balance on your account. If you don't have enough to make the investment, I'm sure it obviously won't go through and it'll just alert you. But yeah, that's it. Pretty simple process for the mutual funds. You can go up to 10 mutual funds if you would like. Same thing with stocks and ETFs. You have to select an account, but I don't know if you want to purchase AT&T. I think that there's not a minimum for AT&T or for stocks. You can go as little as $1. You can set up a weekly buy. Purchase $1 of Amazon, so forth there. So pretty cool. Select the day of the week, same kind of idea. Select the start date and your linked bank account. And then that's it, right? You set this up one time and these recurring investments are going to happen, programmatically, automatically for you on your behalf. I'm not sure exactly what time of day these execute. I want to say it's like midday, maybe around on 12 o'clock Eastern, but not 100% sure specifically when they execute these orders. But yeah, pretty simple process. That is the rundown of that there. Lastly, I want to look at the Fidelity basket portfolios. I'm not currently enrolled in this, but I'll take a look at this real quick just to kind of show you this third option that Fidelity offers. So it looks like they offer a 30-day trial and that it is $4.99 per month and you can cancel anytime. They say it is a faster, easier way to build and manage your portfolio with baskets. Build each basket with the stocks and ETFs you want, trade with one click, and manage it as one investment. More possibilities, more control. So do with that as you will. A quick little video here.
Which stocks and ETFs to invest in, but managing them can be challenging and time-consuming, even with spreadsheets and other tricks to help you stay on top of it all. What if there was a faster and easier way to buy and manage your individual securities? Enter Fidelity Basket Portfolios. Build a basket of stocks and ETFs and manage it as one investment. It's easy to get started. Already have an existing Fidelity brokerage account? You're ready to enroll. Simply pick your stocks and ETFs or get started with one of our pre-built models created by Fidelity experts. Invest any amount you want using fractional shares and trade each basket with one click. Want to build another basket? Create as many as you'd like and monitor performance from your personalized dashboard or as grouped positions within your brokerage account. Want to rebalance as the market shifts? Use advanced features, including one-click rebalancing, and have the freedom to allocate new contributions to your most underweight securities first, while avoiding the hassle of manual calculations. All you need is an existing brokerage account to enroll. It's that easy. For a monthly fee, you can create as many baskets as you want and trade U.S. stocks and ETFs online with zero commissions and no account minimums required. Fidelity Basket Portfolios. More possibilities, more control.
Yeah, so that's a quick little demo of what exactly this is. You're in control, faster and easier, be your own portfolio manager. So yeah, this is a feature that's available on their platform. If that's interesting to you, definitely go check it out. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you got some value from it. Please like and subscribe down below. Cheers.